Hello students, this is Chandan Kumar, your science teacher from KV Vaksar, and this video is especially for class 9th, in which we have started a topic matter in our surrounding, and in this chapter we have activity 1.1. This activity is done for knowing that whether the matter is composed of continuous block or it is made up of a small particle. So let us start this activity. In this activity we have to take a 100 ml beaker and fill it half with water, and then we have to drop 1 or 2 spoons of salt or sugar. Then after dissolving and dissolving this salt or sugar, and after dissolving, if there is increase in the level of water, then we can say that the water is composed of block. But if water is composed of a small and a smallest particle, means there is a space between the particle, so then the water level will not increase. So let us try and let us do how the water is made up of whether the continuous block and made up of salt. So we have put the salt in water, and if this salt will not get space in between the particle of water, then the water level will be increased, and but after dissolving we will see what will happen. So let us try. So we have put it. So as we have put some salt in this beaker, the water level is slightly up, but when we are stirring with the help of glass rod, what will happen? Let us see. Now we are going to mix this solution, means the salt in water, and we will mix it properly. So after doing this activity, we see that the level of water is not increased. So we can say that the water matter, means the particle of matter, is not composed of continuous block. It is made up of the smallest and tiny particle. If it is made up of continuous block, then there will be increase in the level of water, but the water level is not increased. You can see that the level of water is at 50. So after this activity we can say that the matter is composed of tiny particle. Thank you.